This dance is called Just a Phase. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, intermediate level line dance with 1 restart. Starting on the left foot. You're going to rock back on the left as you angle your body to 10:30. Recover the weight back on the right into a hinge half turn, quarter turn right as you step back on that left, quarter turn right as you step to the side on the right. Into a weave, cross left over right, right to the side, cross left behind and sweep that right foot around. Cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side, step forward on the right. Make a quarter turn left as you step the left to the side and sway to the left. As you sway, you're going to look towards 12 o'clock. Sway back to the right as you look towards 6 o'clock. That set of steps once more then. Rocking back on the left. 7, 8, back, rock, turn, turn, cross, side, behind, behind, side, step, sway, sway. Turn a quarter left as you step down on that left foot. At the same time, you're going to hitch your right, angling your knee outwards. Into a full turn, over 2 steps to the left. Now if you don't wish to do this full turn, just walk forward, right, left. Otherwise half a turn left as you step back on the right, half a turn left as you step forward on the left. Into a mambo quarter. So rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, quarter turn to the right as you step that right to the side and roll your right shoulder back. Little weave, cross left over right, right to the side, left behind, quarter turn right as you step that right forward. Straight into a mambo cross, step the right to the side. That set of steps once more then. Quarter turn into that full turn. 7, 8, turn, full turn, mambo, turn, cross side behind, turn, mambo, cross side. Now I will demonstrate that full turn whilst we're actually doing the dance and the walk throw. I'll be doing the non-turning walk-walk option when the music is on, but I'll still call out full turn so you know where it is in the dance. Let's add those 2 sections together. Back rock off on the left. 7, 8, back, rock, turn, turn, cross, side, behind, behind, side, step, sway, sway, turn, full turn, mambo, turn, cross, side, behind, turn, mambo, cross, side. Turn yourself 1/8 of a turn to the left as you step back on that left. So you should be facing 4:30. Step back on the right. Further 1/8 of a turn to the left as you step the left to the side, so you're now facing 3 o'clock. Further 1/8 of a turn left as you step forward on the right, facing 1:30. Step forward on the left. Make a quarter turn to the left. As you step the right to the side, you're going to lunge to the side on that right. So you should be facing 10:30 as you lunge. Make a further quarter of a turn to the left as you step forward on that left, step forward on the right, step forward on the left, sweep the right around as you make 1/8 of a turn to the left, squaring yourself up to the back wall. Cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, 1/8 of a turn to the right as you bring the feet together. That set of steps once more then. 1/8 of a turn left, stepping back on that left. 7, 8, back, back side step, step, lunge, turn, step, step, cross, side, close. Now you have got in that section the equivalent of virtually a full turn to the left. So with all of those 1/8 of a turn and then that quarter lunge, quarter turn, you're effectively making a full turn to the left. Now if you need to try and take some of that turn out, what you can actually do the first section with all the 1/8s in. So you'll step back, back, side, step, step. Now rather than turning when you do this lunge, lunge forward, recover, then make 1/8, half a turn to the right. Step forward, cross, side, close. So it'll actually take part of that turn out, turn it the opposite way, and hopefully you'll be fine because it won't be a full turn any longer. That's the easiest way of taking it out, should you need to. So do the 1/8s, don't turn when you do the lunge, just lunge forward, recover, half turn right, step forward on the left, into that sweep, squaring yourself up to the back wall, cross, side, close, making that further 1/8 of the turn. So non-turning steps should you need to modify that section. Then there's also an extra bit of styling you can put in this section. When you get to the chorus, the artist will actually sing "Look Back and Smile." So on that very last step you do, where you actually bring the right beside the left and make that 1/8 of a turn to the right, when he sings that, look back and smile. If you don't, you might get some funny looks from the people in front, as per choreographer's notes. So it's a styling step. So you'll come out of your lunge, you sweep squaring up to the back wall, cross, side, make that 1/8 of a turn to the right as you bring your feet together, look back, only in the chorus. So when you hear those words, look back and sing, that's when you need to look back yourself. Look back and sing, look back and smile, look back and smile. Not that there'll be anybody actually looking at you, but you can smile at them anyway. So optional styling steps, should you wish to include them. Let's add that to the top. Rocking back on the left. 7, 8, back, rock, turn, turn, cross, side, behind, behind, side, step, sway, sway, turn, full turn, mambo, turn, cross, side, behind, turn, mambo, cross, side, back, back, side, step, step, lunge, turn, step, step, cross, side, close. Now the rest of the dance is basically done facing these diagonals. So step forward on the left, make half a turn left as you step back on the right, step back on the left and hook the right over the left. Go forward on a step lock step, right foot leading. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself half a turn to the right. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right. As you rock to the side on the left, you're going to sway yourself up to the back wall and recover. Ready to start the dance again with your back rock. So that set of steps once more then. Step, turn back with that hook on the end. Off on the left. 7, 8. Step, turn back. Step, lock, step, step, pivot, forward rock, side rock. That's the end of the dance. So let's put it all together. Back rock off on the right, left. 7, 8. Back rock, turn, turn, cross, side, behind, behind, side, step, sway, sway, turn, full turn, mambo, turn, cross, side, behind, turn, mambo, cross, side, back, back, side, step, step, lunge, turn, step, step, cross, side, covers, step, turn, back, step, lock, step, step, pivot, forward rock, side rock. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Back rock off on the left. 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and. So hopefully you can see what the timing is like. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Back rock off on the left. 7, 8, back, rock, turn, turn, cross, side, behind, behind, side, step, sway, sway, turn, full turn, mambo, turn, cross, side, behind, turn, mambo, cross, side, back, back, side, step, step, lunge, turn, step, step, cross, side, covers, step, turn, back, step, lock, step, step, pivot, forward rock, side rock, back, rock, turn, turn, cross, side, behind, behind, side, step, sway, sway, turn, full turn, mambo, turn, cross, side, behind, turn, mambo, cross, side, back, back, side, step, step, lunge, turn, step, step, cross, side, colours, step, turn, back, step, lock, step, step, pivot, forward rock, side rock. So that's your dance. Now there is one little restart in this dance. It comes on wall 4 after 16 and counts. So you've done your full turn, mambo turn into that weave, mambo cross side, and you restart the dance at that point. So let's take you to 16 and counts, wall 4, which is your 6 o'clock wall. You'll be restarting facing 12 o'clock. Back rock off on the left. 7, 8, back, rock, turn, turn, cross, side, behind, behind, side, step, sway, sway, turn, full turn, mambo, turn, cross, side, behind, turns, mambo, cross, side, restart, back, rock, turn, turn, cross, side, behind, behind, side, step, sway, sway. So hopefully you can see where that restart fits in. Wall 4 after 16 and counts. So that's it. That's your dance, that's your walkthrough, your restart information. Let's give it a go to no music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Back, rock, turn, cross, side, behind, side, step, sway, sway, turn, front, turn, mambo, turn, cross, side, behind, turn, mambo, cross, side, back, side, step, step, lunge, turn, step, step, cross, side, close, step, turn, back, step, rock, step, step, pivot, so rock, side, rock, back, rock, turn, turn, cross, side, behind, side, step, sway, sway, turn, front, turn, mambo, turn, cross, side, behind, turn, mambo, cross, side, back, side, step, step, lunge, turn, step, step, cross, side, close, step, turn, back, step, rock, step, step, pivot, rock, side, rock, back,
Friday night, you're a Sunday afternoon. I'm a reckless rock and roll, you're a last slow dance to a midnight tune. Deep in your heart, I know, you know I ain't right for you. Yeah, I'm just a phase you're going through. Yeah.
Restart wall. Restart.
Someday soon, baby, you're gonna wake up and see there ain't never gonna be a forever for you and me. Yeah. Someday soon, baby, you're gonna look back and smile. You got hooked on a guy like me for a little while. Guess I might be crazy, loving life, baby, until the last kiss from your lips tells me goodbye. I'm gonna lay right here and pretend that it ain't true. I'm just a phase you're going through. Yeah, I'm just a phase you're going through. Girl, I'm just a phase you're going through.
Hope you managed that one.